So out here on this county rural road, this is just down the street from the office, and this is actually a bus stop right over there. In the mornings when it's raining, there's been a couple of accidents here, and there's kids all over the place. And the reason why is because they're hydroplaning through these spots where the water can't get out off of the road because it's built up beside it. You can see I've opened up a couple of spots and it's already draining. It's almost gone, actually. It doesn't look like it, but it's almost gone. Down at the end of the street, there's actually a shipyard. It employs about 120 people, and in the morning, they're coming to work about the same time as these kids are standing out here waiting for the bus. And yeah, these guys are slowing down here now because I'm parked right here, but normally they fly through here. And where these areas are where the water's built up, they're hydroplaning, and there's been a couple of accidents here, but so far the county hasn't done anything to solve that problem. So I went ahead and dug a couple of openings, real simple stuff, just to help get that water out of here. And you can see it draining ever so quickly. Just dug 3 openings, and it's already coming way down. Of course, it's still raining, but this is the lowest point on the street. And I actually get all kinds of video from homeowners asking how can they correct this problem. This is a county problem, and if you've got a curb right here and it's a low spot on your street, that water's not going to go anywhere unless the county opens up the curb or redoes the street. So yeah, you can see there's a lot of cars coming out of the shipyard, and they're all rushing to get home. But in the morning is what we're concerned about. It's still relatively dark, and these guys are flying down through here. I don't know if you can see them hydroplaning through the puddles further down. They're slowing down a little bit because I'm standing out here and the truck's right here. But they're ripping down through this road. Look at that. And when this water gets across the road, they're hydroplaning. There's, like I said, been a couple of accidents here. Luckily, no one's been hurt. Luckily, the kids have not been hurt. That's the scary part. So you can see that with just 3 shovel-wide little tiny trenches, I'm able to totally drain this road and stop the hydroplaning. When it rains hard here, this water covers the road. And like I said, there's the bus stop right there, kids. There's been a couple accidents, and the county hasn't done anything to correct the problem. So this was a really simple little fix. I've been meaning to do it for a long time. Although my kids are grown, I remember when they were young and worrying about them at the bus stop. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day. Hey Miami, good morning. We talk a lot about roof drains, downspout drains, and you can see how big that roof was gathering water. You see the depression in the yard from the downspouts? This is water problems. Not only is it flooding the yard, but inside the house there is a wet floor, and it's all caused from these downspouts. This neighbor's contributing to the problem as well. We can solve all these drainage issues. South Florida water problems are unique. Use our service sign-up located on the website